Hey, good morning. Good morning. I got just a quick minute. I got a long way to go and a short time to get there. So my name's Coach Burt. Thank you for watching this on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you watch these morning drives. I bring a rhythm to you almost every single day. It's my commitment to helping people. I don't always feel like doing it, but I do feel like helping people. And my B goal to help millions of people is greater than my comfort level, Daniel Hodges. My B goal of helping lots of people is greater than my comfort. If you're going to be in this business of helping people, your desire to help people has got to be greater than your desire to be comfortable. So, good morning, Mom. So this morning, I got an event today. I've got over 1,300 people registered for this event. And I'm going to talk about pace and intensity for just a minute, Kyle Hendricks. If we want more in life, we got to become more. We got to commit more. We got to recommit more. We got to show up more. We have to have a mindset of expansion. Sales is an expansion mindset. It's an expansive activity. So when you see me do these events, full day of coaching for completely free, on the concept of Pray Drive, 1,300 people sign up. How many people could take 1,300 meetings today? See, we can't. So what I've really learned how to do is say, here's a big problem in the world. People can't stay motivated. They can't stay activated. They get discouraged very easily. They give up on their hopes and dreams. They can't show up every day and prospect. They don't follow up like they should. And it all goes back to one problem. They can't activate the Pray Drive. So I titled this workshop Pray Drive, Activate, because that's really what the book does. Think of it this way. I can get motivated and become demotivated. I can be inspired and lose inspiration. I can go to a conference and within a few hours have lost all of my drive. So activate, what I'm really trying to teach people, which is probably one of the things I bring to the table, is how have I activated my drive for 31 years? How do I get up every day and activate it when I don't feel like it? That's really what Activate is about. And it's about how can we get 1,500, 2,000 people to something at one time, to get excited, to teach them something, to bring value, to invite them to go deeper with me. See, it's like taking a meeting with 1,300 people versus taking a meeting with one person. So these are all things I teach Austin Buchanan in Person of Interest, Micheal Burt School of Teaching. These are strategies I've learned over the years to scale something up, to play it at a higher frequency, to activate the drive, to locate a problem and bring a solution to a problem. Money changes hands when problems are solved. So today I'm going to be coaching from 10 to 4. You still got a chance to get in. You could be in the room if you're local. I think we got 20 or 30 people that are going to be in the room, VIPs. But not, you can get, it's completely free. It's me coaching all day on the science of activation. You need to know how to activate your drive every day, folks. You need to know how to get up and pursue something. You need to how to follow up like crazy. You need to be able to go to see something through to its conclusion. This is missing in today's world. So activate today. I got Andy Elliott, top sales trainer's done $100 million Friday and Saturday if you want to come to the lodge. So message me. Let's go. Let's do this. I got to get going. I got to get my workout in. Hey, we got the Pray Drive on the back of the Maybach. Instinct to pursue. You have a great day.
Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Micheal Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence?
A big part of activating your Pray Drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place.
People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit.
You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need.
So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it.
Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past.
A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market.
When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated.
They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things.
I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion.
You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency.
They're going to exchange money, energy. They're going to raise capital. They're going to start new businesses. There's going to be joint ventures.
I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate. Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no? When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve. And you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came. And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.